Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So our background's a little different. We're out of town and I just wanted to go ahead and do a wear test while I was here so y'all can kind of see what I'm doing this week. So we're gonna go ahead and play our intro. And now we're going to get to the good stuff. So it's a wear test Wednesday. We are going to test out Karity. This is a $6 liquid lipstick. And I've worn it several times so far. It's been super impressive. But we're going to see how it performs all day. It is around 11:30 here. So we're going to be up late tonight, which we probably would have been anyways. But we're going to try the color Tea Leaves. Kind of a brown color. It looks way darker on the lips than it does in the tube. I can tell you that because I wore it last night too. And by the way, we've got Boss Babe on our eyes today. So y'all are gonna have to excuse this video quality. I was not bringing my camera on a work trip, but I figured I would go ahead and record this quick little video, toss it up on a Wednesday so you could see how this trip was. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on. Okay, so this is a super pretty color. I really like it. I have worn it several times, but usually I don't give it the solid all day wear test. So today we're taking it here, we're putting it back. We have got a conference today in Tulsa. That's where we are right now. We're gonna be here for a couple more days. But today I wanted to go ahead and take y'all with me, let y'all see. I'm right in the middle of downtown. The hotel is gorgeous and it has a super pretty view. So we're gonna go ahead and first things first, I'm gonna show you, look at this mirror. What kind of hotel bathroom has this? What? It has been incredible to get ready in the morning, just so y'all know. And here goes some Morphe spray to keep the space all together. So now we are just gonna go ahead, y'all suck at cameras, and we're gonna look out at the room and at the view. So let me switch y'all's perspective. Okay guys, so my room is messy because I'm me, but I have like a pull-out couch, bed, which is super nice, TV of course, cute mirror, bathroom's over there. This is the best part. Look how high up we are, and that over there is the pool, but we are like literally on the 10th floor. How insane is that? Like, look at these buildings. It's just so pretty, y'all. I'll show it to you tonight when all of it's lit up. It's gorgeous. Be back with a check-in soon. Okay guys, so we are halfway through the day in Tulsa. We haven't done any check-ins. I've been watching speakers and such today ever since I put on my makeup. So it's holding up really well. Faded a little in the middle per usual. Super cute. And we are gonna get some good views of Tulsa in a little bit when I walk to dinner. I'm gonna give y'all a little time lapse of downtown. Right now I'm outside the hotel. It is super nice. Shout out to my job, one of the best work perks in the world. But so far today we've had some Japanese food, we had some wine, so that means wine glass, and there was no lipstick on the glass. I was super proud. And behind me, y'all, this is like the coolest little thing ever. They've got all these people in this globe, but it scared the crap out of me last night because I thought there was an actual person out here. So yeah, that is it for this check-in. I'll get y'all a little time lapse of downtown and of the hotel I'm in because it is so nice. So yeah, be back in a minute. Okay, guys, so it is 8:30. That puts us 9 hours in. We finally defeated part of it. The center's getting pretty serious. The edges are fading. It's not horrible, but this does claim to be pizza proof, and my quesadilla has faded it. But we are out at the bar. It's still light outside, so obviously we're not having too much fun, but we're doing something. So I will check back in with y'all in a couple more hours. Bye. Okay, guys, so we are like exactly 12 hours in. It's like 11:30. The lipstick didn't hold up good for the whole 12 hours. It's faded here in the middle, feathered some, but it was solid for a good 9 hours, which is super impressive. So final verdict for $6. This is not bad at all. Definitely impressed. Also had an incredible day. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Sorry for the kind of bad quality, but I hope you enjoyed all my scenic footage. And yeah, hope y'all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, you guys.